Hey Fruit Faces, it's me, KlaireeBerry. I'm gonna go ahead and do a what's in my bag. I'm not sure if I've actually ever done one of these for you guys, so this is gonna be kind of fun. And also, one of the reasons why I'm deciding to do this now, not only do I wanna show you some of the things that I carry around, vegan things, also kind of lower waste types of items that I've kind of perfected using over the past few, I would say months, because this is really one of the things that I wanted to do for my New Year's resolution, and I have to say I'm successful. But also another reason why I wanted to do this for you is because I recently just started using the KonMari method to kind of organize my purse. So I'll show you a little clip of how it's set up. So as you can see, everything's stacked vertically. That's part of the whole KonMari, method, is to be able to see everything and access it more easily. And so the pouches, obviously a huge tip as well. It's just so much easier to find what you want when it's organized, when it's in a spot. I'm just gonna start with your most basic things. My wallet is pretty basic. This is actually a 31 wallet that I've had for quite some time. I carry around sunglasses. I actually get my glasses from ibuydirect.com. I really feel like it's a racket that the eyewear industry makes you pay for an eye exam every single fucking year. That's bullshit. Prayers have finally been answered. I can finally get glasses now. I can order them anytime I want. I just put in my old prescription. It may be a little bit off, but who knows? I think it might be even better for your eyes so they don't keep getting worse and worse every year, and then it's so much wasted money. So these are super cheap. So instead of dealing with contacts or like getting expensive glasses that have color changing or whatever, I just go ahead and have a pair of sunglasses that I wear, and if I need them, I pull them out, I switch them out. I have this nice hard case that I just carry around with me. Moving on to the next thing, now that I carry around bags inside of my bags, I feel like it's a must to have a big bag. A backpack would be healthier for your spine and all of that, but this is actually my birthing center that I had both of my kids at. Usually I have two big bags, and the other one's actually thicker and takes up more space. I usually just fold them and roll them. And you guys, these types of bags, these canvas bags, are the best. If you're gonna invest in some type of, tote bags, I find that the crinkly ones that you can wipe down, I just don't like them because they're annoying to fold up, and I just don't like the feel of them. I don't know what to do with them after they break, and you can't wash them. With these, you can just toss them in the washing machine. This one holds up really, really well. Even these are a little bit better, but I don't even like to use these too much because they break so much easier and you can't really wash them as many times. So again, this, you can just have different bags in here. It takes up room, but I also feel like it's necessary. Like I've gotten to the point where if I don't have these in there, I'm gonna search out a bag or a backup bag to put in here, because it actually helps keep everything snug into place so that it's not wonking around everywhere. This just kind of keeps everything tight and in its place. Not only do I feel like everybody should have tote bags for their groceries, even just regular shopping trips. Fuck plastic, you need to have this stuff. It's just so much better for the environment. I don't know why even companies are still making plastic bags anymore. It should be illegal. So don't forget your produce bags. I just find that it's really, really helpful to have these types of bags in a little pouch in your purse so that you can get your produce. And these are washable. You can also just hand wash these because I think they're kind of delicate. But I've got numerous of these in there, and these are pretty cheap. You can find these like at health food stores, you can probably find them at Walmart now by now, I don't even know. But I think I got mine at Amazon like years and years and years ago. So they're holding up really well, and it's way better than plastic. And you can get just straight up cotton ones, but I actually prefer the mesh ones. Sticking with the ecologically friendly, I always have my little pouch. I've got sporks. My favorites are just the stainless steel, like camping set type of things, although I lost my knife and my fork for that. I even one time got a little Scooby-Doo, like a baby fork and a baby spoon, and I'm always using these. I'll even reuse the plastic. I do have a bunch of bamboo straws that probably just got out for cleaning. Lots of notes, always. I try to put, if I have a list, I try to put it in a certain spot, like a pocket on the side. My pocket on the side also has my cell phone. Usually have one spot for that where I don't keep anything in it because I don't want like a broken pen or candy or any, you know, powders like to get into my camera. So again, I have this great book. If you haven't read this book is amazing. I do have some gum, some Xyla-Chew. I definitely don't buy regular gum ever. I mean, it started out with aspartame and now I know that some of the gums are not even vegan, so that's disgusting. So this is not my favorite. I think I like the citrusy more, like the tropical. This is kind of sweet, but it's got vegetable glycerin, definitely GMO free. It says vegan right there. You can get these at the health food store. They're kind of expensive, but you know, it's good for your teeth. So if you can't brush your teeth, then it is good to have these. So I was at Sprouts and I saw these, and these are kind of like my little Easter treat to myself. This is this new gum, and I loved it because it's just cardboard, paperboard. So organic raw cane sugar, vegetable glycerin. This is gonna be the gum that I buy even before trying it. Oh my gosh, it's better too. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm floored. This flavor is amazing, at least. This reminds me of something that I've had before. I'm floored. The texture, you guys, these little things, they look like little pills. But like with this gum, oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I might have to buy a case of that. You know, these are all hard and they lose flavor really fast. This is like soft and I love the texture. I love the flavor. I love the packaging. Wow. So yeah. Oh my God. This is ingenious. One of the things that sucks especially about these guys is that once it loses flavor, which is really fast, you're like, what do I do with it? You have to have a scrap paper or some trash or something. This actually comes and it has a little tab here. Post-chew wraps. The only critique I have of this is that it's cane sugar. So this is not sugar-free. It's not really gonna help your teeth. So I might save money by that. This is so cool though. I mean, rinse your mouth out with some water. You'll be fine. Love it. Okay. So what else we got? I got my keys, and again, I try to put my keys in one certain pouch. I always have a lanyard because I used to be the worst about losing my keys. So I try to just like wrap them up and then with my badge and then put them in there so that they're always there. I do have a knife. This is actually like a safety knife. Not a safety knife, a survival knife. So just in case shit hits the fan, you know, I might be prepared. Women should always have some form of protection. This has got a little compass. I think it's got matches in here. Is that a needle? A hook. I don't know. If you have some fruit or something, I think that's probably the only time I've ever used it, is if I wanted to cut up some food. Okay, moving on. I do have some hand cream, and sometimes like I'll put it on my face, or I think I've like smoothed out my hair with it. It's always good to have. I do have actually only one pen. I used to have like a whole pouch full of pens. It's like unnecessary. So I just stick the, you know, pen by the little side clippy thingy. I just clip it into the side. I do actually have a vape pen. My mom gave this to me, and it's kind of a heavy duty hardcore one, and I only use CBD oil in this. No THC, not getting high. It helps to keep the stress low, you know, if I need it. In the side pocket, I have some lip balm. I actually do have another knife, a little pocket knife. Okay, so I have my Hurrah lip balm. If you are still wanting some vegan lip stuff, I really do like these. They actually have a nice little scent to them, and they're kind of low on the, I looked up on the Environmental Working Group website, 4 or 3 on these, and cruelty-free, of course, and vegan. It's a pretty good brand, not everything's vegan. Elf, pretty much, is a good brand too, just in case you're wanting some good, cheap drugstore vegan things. Elf is pretty much, at this point, all the new stuff is vegan. I do have some mints, and again, I try to keep these in a little proper area, but I may move these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put these in here because they will fit. It's a makeup bag, but it's actually my snack pack, and I've been going without snacks, in my purse for a while now, which is so unlike me. I'm like, what am I doing? Why do I not have any snacks in my purse? And I seriously didn't know the answer why. But now I do. Actually, I have one loose too that I'm going to add. These are my favorite bars. Try not to buy them because, again, this is not very ecologically friendly, but these are the best because they're like 0 grams of fat. So then I have one of these bolts, just impulse buying. Try not to buy some of this stuff, but then sometimes I forget. And again, these are vegan, lots of carbs. So if I'm ever stuck somewhere, I will not get hangry because KlaireeBerry does not do hangry. So thankfully I have that. And again, these are just some ice chips. Maybe after I chew my gum and get sugar all over my teeth after I eat, I'll take some of these. They're actually kind of cool. They're like, look like little ice crystals. And they're very sweet. Xylitol, but any kind of mint with xylitol is going to help your teeth. And of course, I can also reuse the tin, which I really like as well. Found one more lip balm. Oh yeah, this is probably my favorite lip balm. I almost bought another one of these the other day before I remembered that I'm going to stop buying these plastics because they're not recyclable and it sucks, even though it's fair trade, vegan, and this is all like good stuff. Oh, I love the Sprouts lip balm, and these are like $1.50. So if you're looking for vegan lip balm, Sprouts is the place to go. Okay, so I do have a little calendar, and again, I'm going to get away from this because this is plastic. This is actual makeup bag, even though the bag is actually my We Greco. That's my glad rags, what I call them, my period pads. Instead of getting period panties, I just got the pads that you can hook onto your panties because it was way cheaper. Highly recommended. I do have a lighter in here, again, in case shit hits the fan. I've got a nail file. Oh, I've got more gum. This is pure gum. Again, probably won't buy these again because of the packaging. Hair bands, it is what it is. Got some really crappy plastic toothpicks in here with the little brush things on the side. Again, wouldn't buy this again. I've got my little, what do you call this? Little tiny carabiner for some hair bands. It's a little hand wipe thing. I've got lip balms, e.l.f. brand again. I've got this cool e.l.f. and I never see these anymore, but it's like under eye bag things. I've got Physicians Formula blush. Physician Formula can be great and really low toxins, but not all of it's vegan as well. I've got a hair clip. I've got an extra pen. So oil absorbing sheets. I heard you can also use Starbucks napkins. More lip, what is this? Mega Slicks Wet n Wild lip stain. I love this stuff. It's a 3 on the Environmental Working Group website, so a little bit better for you than this. And in fact, I like this better because it's not quite as sticky. You know, sometimes your hair gets stuck in as if the wind is blowing or whatever. And these are just great. I love the, but they don't sell them anymore anyway, so whatever. And I got some eyeliner because like a lot of girls I know need mascara, but I'm so lazy. I just put on a little bit of wings and that's good enough for me. So that's that. I'm gonna have to reorganize this all. I actually have an extra set of keys in the bottom of my purse with a carabiner. I could probably minimalize that pretty easily there. I do have a hanky, guys. Hankies, I don't know why people buy these freaking Kleenex. You get Kleenex that's in a bigger plastic wrapper that's got the Kleenexes in the smaller plastic wrapper just so you can fit it in your purse. Well, guess what? Freaking hanky is gonna save you money. It's cheaper. It's better for the environment, paper and plastic wise, and just all the production of all of these things. Reusable, washable, feels amazing on your nose. And yeah, I just can't say enough about hankies. I've been on them for years, if not decades. It's a must-have if you're an environmentalist, if you care about the environment at all. And I don't find anything bad with these. Like, I'll use it and then just fold it up, and I never even notice. Like, yeah, wash them after a little bit, but just fold it up, and I even make it real small. It just goes right in the side pocket with my lip balm and other stuff. So what else do we have here? Last thing for real. Oh, this is my techie bag. So just got my little cosmic bag here, and I just wrap up my Galaxy charger that also goes to, it's the same thing that charges up my vape pen, and it also goes to, usually I have it in here, but I think it's over by my bed, one of those little power cell blocks, which I highly recommend, like either that or like a timer. If you're one of those people like me who like always has to plug in your phone before bed to make sure you have enough juice to like wake up in the morning. That actually is really bad for your battery, and that also uses up extra electricity, which is bad for your pocketbook and for the environment. So if you charge up your cell, your power battery cell, whatever you call it, and then you plug your phone into that at night instead, then, you know, you'll charge your phone somewhat, you know, up until the juice is gone out of that, and then you can charge it the next day. Also, like if you go to work, you can like charge up your power cell at work and then take it home so you get free electricity. So anyway, you can see I think about this stuff a lot. So this goes to that as well, and my old phone. Then I have my new phone charger. I actually just keep the blocks either at home or I have some at work. Then I actually have a little binder clip with headphones as well. Whew. So that's that. Now you guys know the ins and outs of my whole entire purse. Too bad you can't put it away for me. I just want to share this with you guys in case you want to get some tips and ideas. I feel like I've just come a long way in getting organized and getting, again, eco-friendly. So hopefully this helps you. Feel free to share, stay subscribed, thumbs up, down, comment. Find me all over social media, same name, KlaireeBerry, also KlaireeBerry.com if you want some scientific studies on veganism. So take care, don't forget to eat your fruit, and I'll talk to you later.